Welcome to the demo scene for the Treant character from Infinity PBR. This is our latest high fidelity character, and it's got some great features that I want to showcase for you right now in this demo scene. This is the demo scene that comes with the project. So as you can see here, we have a nice Treant character, and we have a whole lot of animations. And this character has something new for us, which is what I'm currently calling dynamic animation. So as you can see here, this is the idle animation, but it's not just a static idle that repeats. It's fluid, it's dynamic. And what's really going on here is we are automatically blending on a random schedule and a random amounts 3 different idle animations all at once. And so if I turn off this automatic styles here, we can see our idle style can go all the way from the regular one, and then we have this one and this one, and this one. There we go, the angry idle. And we can blend between these as well to get different looks. And what the scripts are doing automatically for you here is randomizing these. Now you can use this script in your game to create an idle and other animations that are more dynamic, less repetitive, and if you have a lot of the characters on the screen, you can also randomize with a min and max value the speed of transitions and also the period between transitions, so you can get every character doing slightly different things. We also have this got hit directional. We have 4 different got hit animations attached to this, and a script that basically takes this ball here that's randomly thrown at it from any of the directions and figures out the direction and then does a mixture of the got hits between them. You can use that script as well. All you have to do is pass in the position of the attacker or object that's being hit, and that the script will do the rest for you. So that's all you have to do. It's very easy. We also have some body textures here, 5 that come ready to go. This has a miss of material on it for this one, and you can of course create your own with the Substance Painter bonus files that we'll be adding to the asset store as well. We also have blend shapes. So we have, this is the default style, but we also have a skinny one where you can bring them down really skinny. This is just using some shape values that we've preset. You can get a fat version as well, and of course you can just randomize it. The shapes blending here is new as well. Now you can have a nice blend from one shape to another. You see the spikes on this fat one here. When I click fat, they're going to be randomized as well. So technically in your game you could have this as a feature of the character, where perhaps at some point in the game it gets bigger or grows spikes or something like that. So this could be part of your character as well, or you can just set them without the fade. It doesn't have to fade. That's just something I've just built today actually for this. And then of course a super random here where it just randomizes between a lot of different looks here, and you can just get a whole bunch of different looks by randomizing the blend shapes and the textures together. And those are all random shapes for you. So we'll just go ahead and reset these to the default, and we'll take a different body texture there. So let's look at all of these animations. We have a whole bunch here. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here so we can get a sense of these animations a little bit more. The spin kick, and then this 720 spin kick. We've got a couple idle breaks, angry idle break and idle break for non-angry. So we have the ability to block, and while he's blocking we do have these 2 got hit animations, so you can still do got hits. And then we also have, I'm going to show those a little bit later, this one where he's a little tired and he's just out of breath, and then one where he stops that loop. He's stomping feet, vertical attack where he smashes forward, clap attack, classic, smash attack, grabs something and smashes it. That's a great one. Another one where he grabs and just throws something. So he is by default about twice as tall as a human, maybe a very tall human. So you can make him larger and smaller. You can make him as tall as trees. You can make him as big as a human. You can do lots of stuff with that too. We've got a few magic attacks, and I threw in some particles here, just some basic particles, so you can get a sense of how you might use these. And I'll show that one from this angle. There you go. And this magic buff spell. And this one as well. So again, just basic particles just to get a sense of that, but any particle system will throw in some really cool stuff if you use it. We've got a bunch of punches. Now each one of these also has a left version, so you can do right punches and left punches. 4 different punches though. We have this startled animation. It also can be used as like a dodge. He dodges out of the way. And then the 4 got hits right there as well. We have 3 different deaths, and so we can show those. They're going to pop up at the end. Very dramatic death there. And then for the locomotion, we have a walk backwards. And we have a walk forward. This is the slow walk forward. Oops. This is the slow walk forward. We also have this faster walk and this jog. We also have this very fast run. And here's the Treant at 5 times size, so you can get a sense for how big he can be and what he looks like when he becomes a very large character. This is the Treant. It's available now on the Unity Asset Store and as part of Monster Bundle 9 with 3 other characters if you're interested in getting more at once. Alright, have a great day. Thanks everybody.